Yes, how three-phase system work. Today, we are diving into the star connection, one of the most important configuration of electrical engineering. Star connection explained simple and clear. What is star connection? Star connection system is also known as three-phase four-wire system, and it is most preferred system for AC power distribution. In the star connection, the similar ends, either start or end of the three winding are connected to a common point called star or neutral point. The three line uh, conductors run from the ending three free terminals called the conductors. Connection is shown in the diagram below. In the above figure, the finished terminals A to B2 and C2 of the three winding are connected to form a star or neutral point. The three conductors named as R, Y, and B run from the remaining three terminals as shown in the above figure. Current flowing through each phase is called phase current, and the current flowing through each conductor is called conductor current or IL. Similarly, the voltage across each phase is called phase voltage. The voltage across to the line is known as the line voltage or EL, denoted as EL. Relation between phase voltage and line voltage in star connection. As the system is balanced, a balanced system means that in all the three phases, that is R, Y, and V, the equal amount of current flows through them. Therefore, the three voltages ENR, ENY, and ENB are equal in magnitude but displaced from one another by 120-degree electrical. This diagram of star connection is shown in below. Applications of star connection. 1. Power distribution systems common in transmission and distribution of electrical power due to the availability of both line and phase voltages. 2. Neutral availability. Used where in a neutral where is required for single phase loads like in households or industries. Transformer windings often used in the secondary winding of transformers to provide multiple voltage levels. Long distance transmission. Deal for long distance transmission since it allows the use of higher voltages with lower current. Type induction motors. Star connection is used in the starting process of induction motor to reduce the starting current. Advantages of star connection. 1. Neutral point availability provides a neutral point for grounding and for supplying service phase loads. To reduce current, phase current is lower than line current.